In this video, we will see how we can use and customize the modernized Bootstrap theme. So once you extract the zip file, you will get these three main folders. The first one is docs, second is landing page, and the third is package. Inside the docs, you will see the index is the main file. If you open it, it will open the official documentation of the modernized Bootstrap, right? And here you will find everything to start the project and how to customize it. And you can see here it's the package structure. So we have those three files. Package is the main file to start and to customize the Bootstrap project. In the quick start, it's given that it's recommended Node.js and NPM. It is used basically for SCSS. If you want to override SCSS, then you have to follow these process. These I'll show you later. But first, let's check how we can customize the layout, the logo, and the UI components without using the npm and Node. Right. So it says we have one file app.init.js inside package/dist. So let's open it. Let's go back. Inside the landing page, you have one file. That's the index file. If you open it, you will get to the landing page. This is the landing page. If you will scroll down, you will see two main buttons: Buy Now and Live Preview. If you click on Live Preview, it will show you the main file. This is the main project, right? Either you can start the live project from here, else you can directly choose the file from package. Like I said, everything is on the package, all the main files. Go to the HTML, then main, and then we have all the files. Index is the main file. Right, this is the one. So let's open this file on Visual Studio Code. Okay, let's go to package, then yes, and I think yes, this is the file. So let's go back to the documentation and see how we can change layout. It says you can change it to full or mini sidebar. By default it's full, so we have one option to change it to mini sidebar. Let's go back and change it to mini sidebar. Let's save it. Let's go back to the main file. Let's refresh the page. Okay, by default it has changed. The sidebar has changed to mini sidebar, as you can see. Let me refresh it again. Okay, the default value has been changed. Let's go back and make some changes. Okay, let's refresh the page. Now it's full. That's how you can change the sidebar type. To change the theme, you have to make few changes. First, you have to change the file. It's written here. So these are the default themes available: purple, orange, green. Let's go and select the green theme. From here, you just have to change purple theme to the green theme, save the file, and then you have to go to the HTML, the main file, then select the index file. Here you just have to change the CSS. This is the one, style dash orange.css file. So when you will use the hyphen, it will automatically give you options to change the file name. Since I've used, okay, it's a green theme, so let me just change it to green. Okay, now we have style dot style-green.css. Let's refresh the page and see if it's working right. The color has been changed, so the file has been working. But if you click on any other file from the sidebar, it won't change. So you have to do it manually. Go to the index 2, which is the e-commerce page. Then you have to change exactly the, let's have to green, make it green.css. Save it, refresh the page, and the color has been changed to the green theme. So by default, it's now the green. And let's go back and change it to style.css. Okay, it's changed. Let's change this one to the main file. This is the main file. Okay, these were the default settings. You can change the colors from here. And let's go back and change the theme here too. So in this project we have customizer. You don't have to do it default. If you do not want to change, you can just click here and you can change the themes accordingly. Even you can change the dark mode and light mode. And if you want to by default change it, these steps are given here, right? Let's check how we can set the cards with border. I think it's already with borders. So it's written here, changes here. So we have to make changes in the body tag. Let's go and check in the HTML file. Here we have the body tag. Okay, we just have to apply this class card with border. As you can see, we just have the shadows. We do not have any border. Let's put this class inside body tag. Let's refresh the page. Now you can see we have the border, right? How to set card with shadow? You just have to remove this class, the one which you added. Yes, we just remove the class. Now the border has gone, it's only the shadow. So these are the steps. You just have to follow the main documentation, and if you want to change something, change the default values. Change logo, want to change logo, then it's given here. This is the file. You just have to paste the image source path here, and the logo will be changed. Same if you want to change the button shape or button color, you just have to copy the line and paste it in the HTML. It's all given here. Light buttons, rounded if you want to change the shape. So given the progress bars, right? Okay. Now if you want to change the uh, globally the skin color or typography or default colors, you have to install node modules and make sure that you must have node.js installed in your system. So first you must have node.js installed. If you want to check if the node.js installed or not is not, you just have to go to the search and type this command prompt and enter. It will open a command prompt for you. You just have to type node space dash v to check the latest version. It says 18.15 is the latest one. Let's go and check to the official website. So nodejs.org is the official website. 18.15 the latest current version. So it's the latest one. If you do not have the node in your system, you just have to click here, which is recommended for most users, and follow the steps. It will automatically install the node. And if you want to update node, so you just have to follow the same process. Just click here, install it, and it will automatically update the node version for you. And then you can go to the command prompt and type this command node space v to check the version. Once you check it, then clear it. Okay. Once you install the node, you just have to go ahead and install the node package manager modules. So it should be inside the packages, which is I told you, which is the main file. So open the terminal, change directory to package, type this command npm install. This will install the node package modules. When you will enter after typing this command, you will see the node underscore modules will be created here, one component. You can also use yarn install if you want. Okay, once you install node modules, you just have to go ahead and install npm install globally the gulf. Okay, after installing gulf globally, you have to just run this command, gulf, gulf. Okay, it said starting and it's finished. Right, now you can go ahead and change the default colors from SCSS files. Okay, we have the file path here. It says inside package we have SCSS. This is the one. Then variables, and then underscore theme dash variables dot SCSS. Right. We also have some of the colors from here. The default colors. So this is for the skin, like as you can see the name here. And if you want to change the color, you can override the colors from this file. SCSS variable.scss, which is this one. This is the file. So let's change something from here. Let me change it to the black. Let's save the file. As you can see in the terminal, it says starting style. Once it finished, we'll go back to the main file to the browser and we'll check if the color has changed or not. Okay, it says finished. Let's go back and just refresh the page. Okay, so the card has been changed to black. So the components which are using uh, this light secondary color has changed to black. You see, this has changed. This also has changed. Right. So this is how you can make changes without the npm module and the gulp command. It won't be possible to change the SCSS file, especially the colors one. So you have to follow these commands in order to change it. And rest can be changed without installing the node modules.